Alright guys, here in the warehouse, just wanted to show you the difference. People ask questions a lot between the difference of OEM, brand new, OEM refurbished, and then replica wheels. As you can see by appearance, there's really no difference at all by appearance. They all look like brand new wheels. Now, the first one is from the dealership, brand new OEM. The second one is refurbished OEM, and that'll cost you about 70% less than the dealership one. And then the third one is a brand new replication wheel. Now this is made overseas, not by the manufacturer, but it will still have the exact same OEM specs as the manufacturer. So the only thing it's missing really is the stamp on the back of the wheel. Otherwise, it's exactly the same as the other two. Now each one of the refurbished or the replica will save you a considerable amount of money over the dealership.